You know, I spent the last few years chasing the next opportunity, the next video, the next character that I was going to play, the next business I was going to make, the next rental property I was going to buy. And every time I felt like I would be making more progress. If I can just get, I'd make more progress. If I can just finally get that one thing, I'd finally feel satisfied. I'd finally feel like I was getting somewhere in my life. But the truth is, I never felt satisfied with anything I was building, anything I was doing. It just never was enough. But through all that, I learned one thing. It all pointed to the same underlying denominator, and that was capability. See, when I was a young man, young boy, that is, I had someone in my life I looked up to, someone I cared about, that told me a piece of advice that stuck with me for years. And it allows me to do the things I do now, regardless of whether I know how to or not. And he said, even though I can't read nor can I write, I've been able to build something. I've been able to build a business and provide. So you will be all right. Now, regardless of the ups and downs of my life, I held on to that because that stuck with me. That really hit deep. And so every time I faced a challenge or faced something I've never faced before, that would come back to me. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how I'm going to get through this, but I'll figure it out. I'm capable. I'm able to get through this. I'm able to figure this out. Now, with that, I will say, as a disclaimer, it's not all of my own will. Trust me, there's been many a nights, many a times that I had to just pray to the good Lord and say, I don't know what I'm doing. You know where this is going. I need your help. I cannot do it of my own. And He provided. That I want to make clear before I go on. Now, if you're still here, which I hope you are, I have gotten to the point in my life where I love to teach. I love to learn. And I've learned that about myself. And so I want to take you on the journey with me. I want to take you on the journey of building, on the journey of being capable. Because you're capable. And I know you are. Why? Because you're just like me. I know you've heard that 1,000 times. But I'm not your average person to say, oh, well, if I can do it, anyone can do it. And the truth of the matter is, you can't do anything until you realize you are capable of doing it. See, I've done construction. I have managed gyms. I have been a trainer. I have been into bodybuilding. I have been into powerlifting. I have competed uh, in multiple different things. I have built businesses. I have closed businesses. I have lost everything. I have gained a lot. And through all of it, the drive and the common denominator is knowing I am capable no matter what. And not just saying the words, but truly knowing it here. See, they say you got to be fearless to go up against your challenges. But the truth of the matter is, if you're not fearful, then it's not challenging enough. The biggest rewards I've ever gotten in my life were from facing my challenges that I didn't know how I was going to achieve. It wasn't because I wasn't scared. It wasn't because I wasn't fearful. It was because I knew I was capable. So, that being said, I want to invite you into my shop. into my life. And if I can just help one person from many years of struggles from watching one of my videos, learn from my mistakes, learn from my downfalls, learn from all the times, all the lessons that I've had to endure over my life, learn from them so that maybe you can get that next level up. It won't take you as long. Because trust me, life is not fair, never has been, never will be. However, I'm your leverage point. Use me as leverage. Learn from my mistakes. Learn from what I have done right. Learn from what I have done wrong and improve on it. Don't just copy my blueprint. You see so many creators talk about blueprints and follow my blueprint. You are not identical to me, and I am not identical to you. And you darn sure ain't identical to anyone that brags about having the world in their pocket. And you can be the same. You're not the same. Neither am I. None of us are. That's what separates me from anyone else on this platform or any other. I will tell you the way it is, and I will tell you that I failed. I have given up. I have succeeded. I have wondered, prayed, and stressed so many nights in my life, all for me to end up where I am today. And I'm damn proud of that. Excuse my language. So, if you will, follow me on my journey. Go ahead, like, subscribe, all the things, comment what you want to learn, and stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to teach you a few things. I'm going to show you the life of what I live, show you what I've screwed up on, and hopefully tell you or teach you a few things that keep you from going down the same roads I went down. Because I think that there's less people teaching and more people trying to boss and control when it comes to this social media world we live in. I'm not going to gatekeep, but I don't hold back my punches either. Watch me fail, watch me succeed, but just know at the end of the day, I'm as capable as you are of a better life, and so are you. Just know that. I'm human. I'm nothing special. Just someone that loves to teach, loves to learn, loves to see others succeed, better their life. And I'm right there in your corner. As always, think about that, y'all. God bless.